Well, we've had numerous requests to improve our quality control portion of Digital Housekeeper and be able to do different types of inspections on room types. And so we're going to try to show you how to get started using that in Digital Housekeeper. Um, we want you to understand that you can still do inspections the way you used to do them in the past by picking an assignment or finding a specific room. We'll get to those in a later video, but for right now we're going to show you how to set up and get started using the inspection types and inspection templates and the master step codes. So the first thing we would need to do is go into our setup, and when that comes up, we're going to go to number 6, inspection types, and we would need to add a new inspection type. You can have as many of these as you want to have in here. So a couple of examples: you might want to set up maybe you want to set up a high touch inspection, and the description is optional. So once you've entered in the name, hit save, and so there's the high touch inspection. You may want to set up something for discharge inspection, so we could add another one right away and put in discharge inspection as the name, description if you want to, click save. So now we have two inspection types set up, high touch and a discharge inspection. We could set up as many different types as we wanted to. The next thing you'd want to do is go into inspection template number 7, and you see it's blank, and we can add a new inspection template, and we can select this for all room types in the system, or let's say we're doing a high touch inspection for patient rooms only. So we could scroll on down to patient room, select private and semi, and if you want to select all those you can, and then classify it here as what type of inspection this is. So let's say this is a high touch patient room inspection. High touch patient room we'll call it. Again, there is a place for a description of this if you choose to enter it, and any instructions that you might want to include in here. We're going to click save. So we've got a high touch inspection. Now we're going to go into the master step codes, and this is where you can create any items or steps that you want to inspect. So I'm going to click add new master code step, and I'm going to go down the list for patient rooms, since I'm going to put in a high touch for patient rooms, and then I'm going to add in my different types of steps here. So I wanted to rate the bed rails, and now I have a choice here. If I hit save, that'll save this name and close this box down. If I want to add multiple, I can click save and add with selected room types. I'm going to add some more, and this patient room stays checked off, so you don't have to recheck those. And we're going to add over the bed table. And again, if I wanted to put a description, save and add. Oh, maybe I want to add in IV poles. Save. Maybe you want to add in call button. So you can add in any number of things that you want. Here I'll do one more, telephone, and then I'm going to save that and close that down now. So here's my master code, or master step codes I should say. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is go back to number 7, inspection templates, and I'm going to expand out the high touch inspection here, and we're going to add the steps that we want to include in this. So now you see here's the items, the master steps that I just entered. There's also a room inventory daily cleaning steps, so I can add these if I want to, or I can use these master steps that I just added here. And again, you see at the top I could say add all of those, or if I just want to add one or two of these things here, and if I wanted to add these steps I could do all or just one or two, whichever ones I wanted. If you want to require a correction, if this step has failed on the inspection, check it off. And then the scoring group here is pass, fail, NA, and we've also added a pass, caution, fail, and NA if you choose to use that type of a scale. Then I'm going to click Save. So now I've got my different cleaning steps and master codes listed here. And now that I've got that complete, I'm ready to begin doing an inspection template.